Welcome back to SNS British Bird Diaries. Here's an update on my Goldfinch Mules I've bred this season. As you can see, all colouring up lovely. 6 cocks and 1 hen. Just gotta say a big thank you to everyone that's liked, subscribed and given me amazing feedback. Not only that, followed my journey. Much appreciated, ladies and gentlemen. For those that haven't, please smash that subscribe bell. And every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification. Right, on that one, ladies and gentlemen, have a great week. Enough love. Boom. I'm out.